and this is totally acceptable. So we have now the normalization of smoking. And when we look at water pipe use, actually, it's the only tobacco product where the percentage of women using it is higher than the percentage of men. And in Jordan, we really have a very high prevalence of smoking amongst men. It is now 72%. But if we look back at history, the change in male prevalence hasn't changed much in the past 20 years, only 1.4%. Whilst the use of tobacco products between 2004, where it was 7% in females, has become in 2024, 28.8%. It quadrupled. And this also has been reflected in the cancer rates. And this is a very important topic. Like my colleague just said, Yvette, before, cancer is on the rise among women. And between the years 2000 and 2014, the annual rise in cancer in women was only 0.2%. Now it's 6%. And the rate of tobacco-related cancer diagnosed in 2023, the number of cases was higher than that of breast cancer. So we are definitely seeing a new pattern emerging. But also what is something very worrying is how important it has become that there is smoking and water pipe in social functions, and that we have even doctors sometimes talk about this in a way that will make them acceptable. And a very, very specific incidents last month that a very prominent neonatologist, a female doctor, she put a Facebook post out, and she said about commonly asked questions, and one was about smoking water pipe during breastfeeding. And she said, at this time, I will take the side of the mother. If smoking water pipe makes her relaxed and allows her to continue breastfeeding, so I will allow it to her, as long as she smokes 2 to 3 hours before breastfeeding. And I think once we become that acceptant of using a tobacco product, then we do have a real problem.